Go miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it.
Bro, why you get my change, bro?
Rodney.
Game chat.
I'm out of mute and going game chat.
Mute. If you go in game chat, mute.
Mute. Nigga, Rematator. We can't check it out. On personal. Good shot. We ain't getting chat, y'all. We ain't getting chat with it. It's like too crazy. Too crazy. Too crazy. Hey, them niggas funny, bro. Hey. Hey, them niggas funny, bro.
Nigga said you ran straight into the nigga dumbass.
He thought so.
These niggas, yeah.
That nigga funny. He thought, damn, bitch.
Arguing.
H&M got some Carhartt.
That nigga hurt.
Carhartt beans.
Nigga hurt.
Six. I think they got one.
You
up
told
there.
him, nah, just sit still.
No bullshit. you know the nigga man called nigga a scrub ass nigga. Scrub ass. Hey, oh, we get some bits.
I just left him out of there.
Them niggas crazy. They said these go to 21, right?
He's like, nah, bro, 15. He thought, damn, bro. And then at the end of the game, he thought, like, yeah, y'all lost that game, not me.
Nigga said we lose one more, I'm off.
They got one.
Out of bounds?
They got
Okay.
one.
Whatever. Whatever.
Where you get that from? What, a
Hey!
bomber coat? They had men's ones too.
Let me get that from you, guys.
Nigga, pass the ball, nigga.
I'm dunking on shit, fat. I'm dunking on shit, fat.
I'm not a bomber coat.
I'm gonna need that though, fat.
One day.
If I ever need it, oh!
He's nigga just calling.
Oh, wait.
No, I don't think
Hey,
they got.
yo!
Niggas can't.
These Christmas ass niggas, man.
Nah, this is.
I'm a nigga!
I forgot about the Christmas news, bro.
Just clear.
I'll pass it, bro. I'll pass
Christmas
it.
news, bro.
No, that's me.
Some black tan.
Ah, damn. Oh, come here. We got it.
Really
Black
shot,
tan.
bro.
Hey, now. Hey!
I forgot, bro. The Christmas did just go bad.
You forget it.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Hey. It's great drop-off season.
Man,
That shit was crazy. They got that ass. What that?
I'm just gonna text this one Xbox nigga Merry Christmas. God, dang, that was a slaughter.
Like, sheesh. That was better for y'all niggas, man.
Text niggas happy holidays.
All that like 3 steals a piece.
That was just the first one. Yeah, bro.
I know the niggas was hurt like a bit.
I get you just got the jank for Christmas, bro, but it's like, you gotta be better.
Cap.
Oh shit. And Chris ain't no than I said.
Get it. Oh, they just got the game too.
Yeah.
Nigga, rookie 5.
Nigga named Nat Tufe.
But yeah, he one of them try to be ISO gods. Nigga got 99 speed. Not 99 speed, but 91 ball handle. We just gonna backdoor him. It's easy kills. Give it to love. Don't pass that, bro. That's not stupid. That's not smart at all. Go ahead and get him off the court too.
Off. Free.
Green bean. Come on, bro. Ah! Fuck.
Oh my god.
He gonna run around, look.
Guess you got that location.
Great.
That's how you know where I was at.
Mm. Yeah.
Right now. Easy. See, I'm a teammate. I passed the ball, man. Oh, yeah.
It's off, bro.
Let's come back to you. Don't worry about it. Hey, now.
Dang.
Yeah, saying I was going to
Get
the
that.
outlet.
Wait, that's your, what's called got 99 still?
Something, but I didn't know what you said.
Nah. This man got a 993.
993, yo. I could swear you made a build with 99 still and 993.
I think I did. I don't know. I probably deleted it.
Oh, we. Oh, shoot. I ain't think he was gonna fall. I thought he was gonna come help in the paint. Hey, good shot. Yeah, cuz.
Dang, man.
We'll take it though. Hey, oh, I thought I was gonna bless that nigga.
Get that nigga a Christmas present.
No cap. Come on, y'all. Come on now. You keep doing that now.
Oh, what is you doing, bro?
Hey, that's look at the gay stuff.
Man.
Give me that shit. Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get it. Oh.
$35 mil for the Leisure Odom.
Okay.
Taxation.
Hey! Put a bit through my legs. Get on that rim.
Tax.
What? What? They give me an animation and everything just for me not steal the ball. I'm gonna do that, bro. Easy a little, yep. The 260 said, nah, they done got too many steals in this game. Not happening in this game. But I think we broke the record for the most steals in seconds.
Man, niggas just got like, bro, I don't get it.
Oh yeah, you'll try hard,
That
bro.
nigga
Try
jumped.
hard, bro.
Oh, that nigga jumped and he didn't contest. You get that play?
Did I ask?
That's gotta be the worst. Getting box coming down the court, then still get the ball stolen from you, then get rebound on you, and put it up on your ass. Hit the sickening, bro. Hit the sickening.
This nigga talking while he playing.
Nah, that's it.
What is it? Fun! It's like, nah. Hey, look, y'all boys, man. That's the end of the vid, man. Yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We on to the next one. Gonna lie, still be playing with these tryhards. But, alright, see y'all later, man.